Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how something as tiny as a seed can grow into a towering tree or a lush crop field? That little seed is a treasure chest of life, waiting for the right moment to awaken. Today, we are going to explore how germination occurs in some common seeds like pea, bean, and maj. Each one follows its own unique strategy, and understanding these patterns helps us connect what we learn in biology to real-world agriculture and ecosystems. So let's unlock this journey together. Let's begin with the pea seed. When a pea seed germinates, the first thing to emerge is the radicle, which grows downward to form the root system. At the same time, the plumule moves upward, developing into the shoot. What's interesting here is that the cotyledons remain underground, hidden beneath the soil. They quietly supply food to the growing seedling until it can produce its own. Since the cotyledons stay below the earth, we call this hypogeal germination. Isn't it amazing how even in the dark, beneath the soil, life is preparing for the light? Now, let's turn to the bean seed, which shows a different style of germination. In beans, the hypocotyl elongates and pulls the cotyledons above the soil. These cotyledons don't just sit idle, they turn green and even help with photosynthesis, giving the young plant an extra boost. Over time, they shrivel and fall off once the true leaves take over. This type, where cotyledons rise above the ground, is called epigeal germination. Just think, the same seed food that once lay hidden underground is now actively working above the surface to support life. Next, we move to maj, a monocote seed that follows yet another path. Maj has a single cotyledon called the scutellum. Here, the radicle is protected by a sheath called the coleorhiza, while the plumule is guarded by another sheath called the coleoptile. Both grow in opposite directions, root downward, shoot upward. But the cotyledon stays underground, so this too is hypogeal germination. Unlike pea and bean, maj relies on its endosperm for nourishment. This makes maj and other cereals such as rice and wheat uniquely adapted for fast and efficient seedling growth. Now, let's look at something truly fascinating, vivipary, found in mangroves like Rhizophora. Here, seeds don't wait to fall into the soil. Instead, they germinate while still attached to the parent plant. The radicle grows downward and forms a pointed structure that eventually anchors itself into muddy soil once detached. This is nature's brilliant way of ensuring survival in harsh coastal conditions where waterlogging and salinity make normal germination nearly impossible. Isn't it remarkable how life adapts to even the toughest environments? As germination completes, the young seedling begins its independent life. The radicle forms the roots, anchoring the plant and absorbing water, while the plumule forms the shoot and develops into leaves. Cotyledons may remain hidden underground, as in pea and maj, or rise above, as in beans. Once true leaves appear, photosynthesis starts and the seedling becomes self-sufficient. Farmers and gardeners know that strong, healthy seedlings are the foundation of a successful crop. So let's quickly connect everything we've learned. Pea and maj follow hypogeal germination, with cotyledons staying below ground. Bean shows epigeal germination, with cotyledons lifted above the soil. Maj also highlights the special role of the endosperm, while mangroves demonstrate vivipary germination on the parent plant itself. These different strategies reveal how plants adapt to diverse environments, from farmland to coastal mudflats. I hope you now see germination not just as a textbook topic, but as a living drama of survival and growth. Every plant you see around you has passed through this delicate and miraculous stage of life. Isn't it incredible that all of nature's green diversity begins with a single seed? Until next time, keep observing the wonders of biology all around you.